Hi guys, my name is Sir Venia Kalipa or Sir Opoko, the funny mouse teacher. As my students call me, welcome to solving mathematics with ease.
Hi guys, welcome to today's class. We are going to be talking on writing large numbers in words. Now, from my basic experience, I discovered that kids find it easy to call a three-digit number. Something like this. We have 5, 4, 3. It's very easy for them to pronounce these digits or these numbers. They might just tell you, pronounce this aloud, they tell you 543. Yes, very easy to pronounce. But when it comes to very complex numbers, they find it very difficult. So now, this is a hint or this is a secret on how to write complex numbers. Now, I always tell them that you should try as much as possible to memorize it. It's not much and it's not difficult. This is three-digit number which have 100 tens and units. This is thousand which have 100 tens and units. This is million has 100 tens and units. Billion has 100 tens and units. And trillion, as you can see, have 100 tens and units. Now let's go down to the numbers on the board. We have 5, 2, 2, 2. Now I always tell them anytime you write in a number, you start from what? The right. Now let's see. We have 2, 2, 2, and we have 5. Now how do you write this? You check. 5 is under what? It's under 1,000 because it's a particular number, a unit. So now we have one digit here under 1,000. We have 3 other ones here. So how do you write this? First of all, let's pronounce it. You have 5,222. Now let's write it in words. Now words. We have 5,000, comma, 200 and 22. So you see, very simple, very easy to write. Why? Why is it very easy to write? Because we have actually placed it in the table below. Now we are good to go. This is done. Now so let's look at another number. If you should look at this. Now let's write this. Now I said writing from the right. So we have 8. We have 2. We have 5. We have 7. We have 2. And we have 6. Now, if you should pronounce this figure aloud, or this number aloud, you have 627. Then I said writing from the right. So we have 8. We have 2. We have 5. We have 7. We have 2. And we have 6. Now, if you should pronounce this figure aloud, or this number aloud, you have 627. Then you look at the top. Always look at the top here. This is 627,528. It's equally easy to write. Now let's write it 600 and 27. Then you look at the top. What is there? 1,000. 500. And 28. Very easy to write. You see what I'm talking about? All you need to know is write the numbers in this chart, and then it becomes very easy. Now let's go to more complex number like this. We have this. Now you see that we have 1, 1, 0. We have 5, 5, 5. We have 0, 2, 2. We have 8, 4, and 6. And we have 7, 5, and 1. So now from here you discover that this is equally easy to write. Now let's just have a little space on the board so that we can proceed. This number is a bit complex and challenging. That is why I said this is solving mathematics with ease. Now we have started with the basis from somebody that is in basic 4. Now we have moved down to an advanced number or an advanced level, as the case may be. Now look at this number. If we should pronounce these figures aloud, or the numbers aloud, we have 157 trillion, because that's what is on top of it. 648 billion, 220 million, 555,000 and 11. Now let's write in words. You have 100. Remember 100 because it's under H. 100 and 57,000 trillion 600 and 48 billion 200 and 20 million 555,000 and 11. And that's that. You see what I'm talking about? The number is very complex, but with this chart, you discover that it's very, very easy for you to write. As you see what is on the board, we have 157 trillion, 648 billion, 220 million, 555,000 and 11. Now kids, you see that this is very easy to write. That's why I told you immediately you can be able to understand the chart. Writing in words become very, very easy. So we have come to the end of today's class. So thank you for watching and also subscribe.